Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix or how to tell if Blink camera is recording or not. So in order to check it, what you can do is you can simply try to access to the recordings. If you are able to find recordings, it simply means that your camera is also recording the videos and the footages, right? So in order to get access to your recordings, what you need to do is you need to simply open the Blink application, and then at the bottom you just have to select the clips option. Assuming your system was armed and triggers the motion detection to record the clip should be there. So keep in mind that the blink just record when motion detects. Get familiar with those settings if like to have enough forensic materials. So you just have to simply follow these steps in order to find your recordings, and if you are able to find your recordings, it simply means that you can tell that your blink camera is recording properly. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.